Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to show you the unboxing and the quick review of this 6-inch digital caliper. This is a digital caliper and you can see that it is of 150 mm, that is a 6-inch device, and it is used for measuring, and it has a metric or empirical dual reading, extra large display screen, hardened stainless steel body, and 4 measurement function, fine adjustment roller, and complete with storage case and the battery. And here you can see the specification also. You can see that the same thing that I have read you, and you can see that it has a 3 function. One is for the depth measurement blade, outside measurement jog, and the step measurement face, and it has also this inside measurement jog, and that is a display. And you can see that it has positive locking screw, metric or empirical selection switch. Metric means millimeter and the empirical means inches, and it is a large inch LCD display. You can see on and off switch, a 0 adjustment switch, and here is a fine roller, and nothing more on this box. Now let's see the unit. It comes in a very nice carrying case, the geometry type box. And now let's take out that caliper. Inside this box you can find our operation or instruction manual. Let's see first. It is a electronical digital caliper, and it is a operation instruction, and you can see that all thing about this caliper is written on this manual. The failure causes and the measure and the battery replacement, and on the back you can find the technical specification. You can see that it can measure from 0 to 150 mm, and that's means 0 to 6 inch. That is 0 to 200 mm or 0 to 8 inch. That is the another unit. The resolution is around 0.01 mm or 0.0005 inch. You can see the accuracy here, and nomenclature. You can see that all things you can find on this operation manual. Now let's keep that aside, and you can find a digital caliper inside this box. Nothing more inside this box. This box can be used to store this digital caliper. Now let's keep that box aside, and here is the digital caliper. Now let's take out this from this plastic. Now you can see that this is a digital caliper, and once you press this roller it will automatically turn on. Now you can see that can be used to measure the distance between these two jaw, the diameter around that, and also the depth from this unit. Now let's see the performance of this caliper. Now I will adjust the 0, and I know that this USB is around 5 mm in thickness. In this direction you can see that it is 4.58 mm. You can see that it is 12.12 mm in this direction. So you can see that it is quite accurate while measuring the dimension with the help of this digital caliper, and it can also use to measure the inner dimension, that is around 11.53 mm, and also the depth. You can see that it is around 9.51 in depth. So you can see that by the help of this digital caliper I can accurately measure the distance, thickness, and the dimension of the object. Now this completed the unboxing and the quick review of this 6-inch digital caliper. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. The subscription link is shown on your screen, and for more videos on upcoming gadgets, technology and many more, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.